Now, as some of y'all know, right? These are Hemi heads. This is the front of the Hemi head. Truck Hemis do not have power steering pumps mounted to the heads. He sold me truck heads. Welcome to another edition of Yacht Life. And today we'll be doing a lot of stuff. And I'm not exactly sure in what order. So stay tuned. Let's go. Well, by the magic of Jesus Christ, God's magic, man, the guy was actually at the shop, so he was able to actually tap in the holes. I mean, you can still see some of the metal there. I'll brush that out before I put it on, but I mean, he had to helicoil 2 of them, but hey, whatever. He got it on. The headers are on. Heads are here. So let's put it on. I'm happy about this now. Let's go. Got the head bolts tightened down, so now it's time to torque them. Gotta torque them. Only way to go to be safe. Gotta be safe. Rather be safe than sorry. So let's do it. Listen for the click. 25. Time to get the ground. Time to get the valve cover. Time to get the rocker arms, the push rods. Here's a very easy way to remember where the locations of the push rods are. Now the exhaust is back there. The intake is right here. So what I think is the intakes are shorter, the exhausts are longer. The intake is here, the exhaust is back there. Intake, exhaust. Intake, exhaust. Look how short and long. Big difference. Intake here, exhaust there. Worst part about this is actually these rocker arms in here with these push rods. Assembly lube is because assembly lube is a little tacky, just a little bit, just enough to hold these push rods in place. finally got this settled. As you can see, I got some assembly lube all over the place. Dig it. It's about time for the valve cover. Ooh, pretty. Hope this is the right side. I hope so. It should. I gotta cover up all the demons. So let's find out. This one here, this is the third one at the top. It goes in that one right there. It's a ground. You gotta make sure you put this one on. It's a pain in the ass to get off, but sometimes a pain in the ass to put back on as well. So, got the valve cover, the heads, the headers, the O2 sensor, power steering pump. Got the power steering pump. What's left? The intake plenum, intake box, the cooling fans, the other head, the other header, the O2 extension is already on there, spark plugs, and the coils. That's it. Oh, and power steering fluid. But that's it. So right now, I'm gonna call it a day, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Just like that, this episode of Yacht Life is over. Howdy. I've got the covers, the valve cover bolts, the rocker arms, the push rods. I've got the harness on the valve cover. EGR valve is good to go, nice and tight.